So let's capture this image. We'll go here, we'll do a const logo is equal to document.querySelector. We'll capture the image. All right, let's create a function that starts the animation. We'll call it the hover function. Let's create a listener that starts the function. We'll do window.addEventListener. We'll listen for the key up. And when I press the A button, we'll start the animation. So if event.key is equal to A, we're just going to hover. If not, it's going to be a D key is going to stop the animation. And we'll stop it by canceling the animation frame with an ID. Let's create that animation frame. So within our function, we're just going to request an animation frame. And within that animation frame, we're just going to call the exact same function, creating a recursive function. We need to capture the ID. So let animID equal to null. When you create the frame, animID is going to be equal to the frame. All right, so let's capture the X and Y of the image. Let's say logos coord is equal to X and Y. We'll do an object, keep it organized. It's going to be get computed style of the logo, and the left is our X, and the top is our Y. And these guys are strings. We need to do some math with them. So we're going to parse into float. There we go. Same thing with this guy here. Parse to float. All right, so the X's and the Y's. Let's create some new X's and new Y's in our animation function. Make it 0 for now. Same thing with the Y. And then we'll set the left or the X and the Y of the logo. So logo.style.left. That's going to be in pixels. And style.top also in pixels. Let's calculate a new left first. Let's bounce this guy back and forth on the x-axis. We do that with a sine function. We need some sort of value that increases. Well, we call that the seed. So let's create a seed. We'll start at 0.0, and then every animation frame will increase the seed by 1. 1.0. So let's do that with the x. So logos coords dot x plus the new x. Save, press the A button, and we get this subtle effect here. This bouncing between two values. Currently the two values are the value 1 and -1. That's why it's going so quickly. So let's increase the amplitude of our sine function, which will increase how far it goes left and right. Let's just say 10. Let's exaggerate it for effect. Save, go back. There we go. Let's slow that down by decreasing the period of the graph, or increasing it by using a fraction. Let's do 0.2 for now. Press the A button. There we go. Let's animate the Y the exact same way. So 10.0 times math.sin, or sine 0.2 seed, and uncomment. And this should be logos coords.y plus new y. Save, we go back. All right, so it's vary the way the X and the Y animate. We'll do, let's say, 0.02 for the X, 0.002 for the Y. Hit the animation, and there we go. Very subtle, but effective hovering image. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed.